Super Typhoon Saola. 86 injuries, 1,545 fallen trees, 21 cases of flooding. As Typhoon Saola gradually moves away from Hong Kong, the Hong Kong Observatory has downgraded the warning, indicating a decrease in the threat level. As of 4 p.m. today, multiple government departments have been actively responding to reports of damage caused by Typhoon Saola. The Fire Services Department has received a total of 1,185 reports. The government's 1823 call center has received 357 reports, and the Leisure and Cultural Services Department has received 3 reports specifically regarding fallen trees. The Drainage Services Department has confirmed 21 cases of flooding, while 2 reports of landslides have also been received. In terms of injuries sustained during the typhoon period, the Hospital Authority has reported that as of 4 p.m. today, a total of 86 individuals have been treated for injuries at the Accident and Emergency Department of Public Hospital.